architectures, and today we are in one of national heritage of Tehran, the most prominent actually. Here, this area called Meydan Mashq or Parade Square, and this beautifully designed gate called Sardar Bagh Milli or the National Garden Gate. Now I want to tell you about the history of this area. This area actually is a historical and governmental compound. In the past, it used to be a garrison. During the first king of Qajar dynasty, this area was built and used as a military shooting area. Later, they decided to build some buildings like Cossack House. Later, I will explain about that monument building. And after a while, during Pahlavi dynasty, actually, some buildings added to this area, like communication museum that used to be a post office, the first post office of Tehran, and also the most recent building. It was built around 25 years ago. It's Malik Museum. You can see the chronicle development of queen in Iran, prehistoric queens, up to recent time. It's really beautiful. I advise you to visit that museum. And also there's another beautiful building there, elegant. And now it's the building number 9 of Foreign Affairs Ministry. During Pahlavi dynasty, actually, this area for a while decided to be a national park. When Reza Shah became the king, he decided to build a modern park like European style, and for a short time it was used as a national park, because if these people call this gate that later was built Sardar Bagh Milli or National Garden Gate. There are some prominent elements in this gate that I want to speak about it. For example, you can see the picture of Reza Khan when he was the war minister of Qajar dynasty before he became the king. And I should add this sentence that when Reza Khan arranged the coup d'etat of 1921 and attacked Tehran and took the Tehran from Qajar king, he built this memorial gate, and you can see his gun, his special lovely gun. He was really interested in what is it, Maxim gun or machine guns, kind of Maxim gun there. And the building, the building of the gate actually is the mixture of European style with elements of Iranian architecture. For example, you can see the bricks and color painted tiles, but the design, the shape was copied of European style actually. There are 2 sidewalks, as you can see, and 1 road gate for coaches. And there is a place there. There's a room that in the past they use it as a place for playing kettle drums. And in some special occasions, the players were there on the top of the gate and started to play the kettle drums or timpani. What else? About the gate itself. It was built in the armory, the first armory of Tehran that is located not far from this square. And it was the symbol of industrial Tehran, contemporary Tehran actually. Let's go a bit further and you can see different building and different architecture.